my student. Here we are. Nice to see you again, as always. Piano Adventures Performance Book. This is page 23, Dancing with Frankenstein. So you know with the name Frankenstein, it's going to sound a little off. Some of the things are a little off too. Let's talk about our right hand. Finger number 1, middle C, place it there. On our left hand, finger number 2 is going to start the song. It's on A. Find A. There it is. 3/4 time. Every measure. 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready, play. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Off, 2, 3. Good work.